At last, AWS Security Lake is generally available. Last year, AWS announced this new service, AWS Security Lake, to aggregate all the security logging from AWS services and third-party tooling into one location. If you're working in any corporate environment or even in a small to medium-sized enterprise, and if you have some cybersecurity division, which I'm sure you will have, then you might be aggregating the logs from various services and putting it into one location. There are various third-party tools which provide that service, such as Lacework, SecureWorks, and heaps of others. So primarily at a at a very high level, or what companies are doing is that they are aggregating different logs such as VPC flow logs or CloudTrail logs, S3 access logs, DNS logs, and various other logs, and putting it into a central third-party location, and then that third-party location analyzes those logs, and then if they detect any vulnerability or any malicious activity, then they reach out to you for any further action. So AWS has announced this security lake where you can build a security data lake from integrated and custom data sources across your accounts and regions. So you set it from the AWS organization level, and then you attach different OUs to it, and from every OU it aggregates a log. So the purpose is to identify potential security threats and vulnerabilities. So you should be enabling logging across your various resources and centralize these logs for easy access and use within analytics tools. Some of these data sources include logs from on-prem infrastructure, firewalls, and endpoint security solutions. And when utilizing the cloud, such as Route 53, CloudTrail, VPC, and so on. Now, this security lake is a purpose-built service that automatically centralizes an organization's security data from cloud and on-prem sources into purpose-built data lakes stored in your account. Security Lake also automates the central management of security data, normalizing from integrated AWS services and third-party services. Now you can do various things with the help of the Security Lake. As I mentioned, there are heaps of logs which and event sources too, which you can aggregate into central location. Once that's done, then you can also transform and normalize that data. And one thing I forgot to mention is that if you want to also put logs from your Palo Alto firewalls or even from CrowdStrike or Cisco Security, then you can use Security Lake's standard schema called as Open Cyber Security Schema Framework or OCCF, and use it to aggregate your CrowdStrike logs and Palo Alto logs into that location. Now, once there, if you want to normalize it, you can use Apache Parquet format to normalize it. Um, so once that's done, you can also customize your data access level just on the basis of your data residency requirements. In the next video, I'm going to discuss how you can use Open Cybersecurity Schema Framework and what it is and how you can utilize it with your AWS Security Lake. Thank you very much.